Imagine locking your laptop the same way you lock your front door, using a physical key. Well, there's a way to do exactly that. Today, you're going to learn how to turn an ordinary USB drive into a security key that locks and unlocks your laptop automatically. This trick is simple, powerful, and surprisingly effective. Let's get started. The idea is straightforward. You configure your laptop so that it stays unlocked only when a specific USB drive is plugged in. As soon as you remove the USB, your laptop locks instantly. This means no one can open your files, access your apps, or use your system unless they have your USB key. To make this work, we'll use a tool called Predator, one of the most popular utilities for USB-based locking. It's lightweight, free for personal use, and easy to set up. Once you install Predator, plug in the USB drive you want to use as your key. Predator will ask you to create a password. This ensures that even if someone steals your USB, they still can't access your computer without the password. Now here's the cool part. Once Predator is running, your laptop will constantly check whether your USB is plugged in. If you pull the USB out, even for a second, Predator locks your screen automatically. Your keyboard and mouse become disabled, and the system becomes completely unusable until the USB is reinserted. It's like pulling the key out of a car's ignition, the engine simply stops. This setup works perfectly if you're working in public places like libraries, co-working spaces, or cafes. You can leave your desk for a moment, pull your USB key, and walk away confidently knowing nobody can mess with your laptop. And the best part? You can customize everything. You can choose what happens when the USB is removed, instant lock, timed lock, or even a warning sound. You can enable logging to see if anyone tried to access your laptop while you were gone. And you can use any USB drive, big or small. If you lose your USB, don't panic. You can still unlock your laptop using the password you created during setup. Just remember to keep that password safe. Using a USB key won't replace traditional passwords or PINs, but it adds an extra layer of physical protection that's incredibly hard to bypass. So if you want your laptop to feel more secure, more private, and more protected, turn your USB drive into a digital key. It's simple, effective, and gives your laptop a whole new level of security. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.